Go, play. I'm gonna record you two playing from now on. Look at those crawlers. So sexy. Threesome, bro. Threesome. Oh yeah. Oh, threesome. Oh, listen to all of their orgasms. Oh look, run into them. Some of them say monkey. Oh.
That's fun.
You keep running into them and then move back.
Either I'm surrounded or I'm sealed
That
out.
one. That's fun. Kill those two. Get them by the side. Shoot him.
Now that's what I call a goulash.
He's not running. Not running.
Isn't slow. Oh, really good. I haven't ball playing this.
Did you record the docking?
Yeah.
Did you do the whole thing? Are you still recording?
Yeah, I'll just record you two playing from now on.
Okay, record now.
Look, keep running into that one. It'll say monkey. Oh, you're a dog.
These are just floating crap.
Weird crawlers. See, we got 2 movie reels as well.
Yeah.
Got a day too.
I'm alive. Shit, I'm alive.
Oh,
You always get to stay that.
No.
because that's all the money that you get.
Okay, I'm just using the thunder gun now. I don't want to dog ya.
Yeah, you dog. You've let him die like how many times?
Oh no.
Is that the same gun again?
Okay, go.
Now the time is
Oh,
Get speed cola.
yeah, true. Oh, it's like one hit there.
Explosives make things so much easier.
We actually hit some.
Really?
Yeah.
Tasty.
Speed cola is my friend.
Oh, I need double tap.
Don't worry, you're like no use for that anyways, babe.
Okay.
Oi, stop crouching.
I'm not crouching, bro.
Yes, you are.
I wasn't. I'm not crouching.
Yes.